What's up, Demon Squad? I don't know if girl saw me in the building until I'm there back. Found to see the tired. I found to say me alone and I don't know say I trouble in the camp. I'm gonna ask Christ. Today, when you see the thumbnail, I'm know that Karen here, sir. When you see what I go do? I go prank my little brother. I don't know normal. Before getting into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. You must sleep right now. I'm gonna get a little peek. Yo, basically, me just me didn't have to do this. Him sleep too much. Him need to wake up. Like, he must sleep too long. Him need to wake up. He need to go in bed and wake up at morning time. So me after this, I'm gonna do this now and catch a reaction. And so, probably him kill me, but it's a good thing. So I can't run look a bit. Yeah, I can't run look a bit. So let's get right into the video. Wait, follow me on TikTok at Sammy_lifestyle. Follow my personal channel at Sammy Lifestyle same way, and follow me on Instagram at Amanda_own. Follow or join page at Sammy_family_TV. Everything are down in the description down below. Period. Like, sorry, this got to go, but let's get right into the video. Honestly, that don't honestly that the boy is dead. Sleep. Yo. So me not tell like I did want use one raw fish, but cause I ain't gonna do that. I'm bet hot, and after I put the raw fish pan in mouth, who are gonna have that back? We don't got. So I got the fish here. I took out the biggest one. Wow, man, I smell like fish. I feel like I'm put pepper on it. I don't know. I don't pepper on it. Brother, a drama in the camp. Young King want to hold the camera for me. Holy crap, get on, dog. I don't know, say a long time we not come in the camera and just know say the team is the team is back. Like a trouble. Nobody not safe. Mommy, you're not safe. You hear that? Nobody not safe. We are back. We're back at it again. Wait. We're back at it again. Nobody don't safe. But come on, just no say no safe. But that means everybody get from. One of them there, I catch young thing out. Not right now.
I want for the alone here.
Not right now, cause I wish, well, I'm not safe. I find a hiding spot. You know all of my hiding spot, but I'm gonna really appreciate that. I told me everything I want. But do on a big, come take up this guy stink.
Yeah.
Escort.
Escobish.
Cause smash up a girl, the carpet tonight. Ready? You ready?
Woo! It's showtime! Woo!
Say good morning. Good morning. Sir, say good morning. Max, why you wake up? Yeah? Cause if you go back to sleep, a still problem. You know that, no? If you go back to sleep, a problem, dog.
Mommy!
Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. If you go back to sleep, brother, a problem. What's that? You couldn't buy peace. You couldn't buy peace. If you go back to sleep, a problem still. Go back to sleep, please. Hey, make him go back to sleep. Make him go back to sleep. No, I go back to sleep. Relax. So you kick so far?
Stop playing.
Stop playing.
Stop playing.
Relax.
Stop playing now.
Just you want to get breakfast.
No, my belly full.
Breakfast in bed.
My belly full. I'm hungry.
Relax, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. I don't promise this. Something there. Where else have I box?
Love me, Mommy!
She not there. Fab, talk at you. This a box? This is a box. Can't box with a laugh, sir. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, I can't see me there. Box. I can't name boxers. What are you saying, name Mr. Boxers? Eh? If you don't get up, I put a pad in your face. You have to get up. Get up. Pad and fish. Come here. Now you get too close to this. Get up, no problems. Get up. Stop going like Sarah now.
Stop, no.
Get up.
If it's run, I stop
You
now.
know right, cook.
Me no care, me not belly full.
Like 1 month ago. Stay belly full.
I'm breathing, Mommy.
What? We still get your boxers. So what have to be help, we'll catch you. And why you wake up so quick?
The fish are stink with the well one.
You could actually lie down look a bit.
Lord!
Man, flick me your face. Okay, boy, sleep under your bed. Jesus Christ. Alright, may I stop by you? But just like tasty.
What are you
Taste for $100.
belly full?
Taste for $100.
No. I have 300 on me.
Taste for $100. Taste for $100. Taste. Taste for $100. Put on the camera from that
Stop
power.
playing up with it.
Taste for $100.
You don't know, man.
$100.
Yeah, right.
$100.
No. No, I don't wear those.
Much minutes that reach? Me stop by him. Stop it. Stop by him. Stop it now! So guys, wanna see that's a little short thing. And Probox, how you feel about the prank there? How you feel about the prank? The boy said nah go back to sleep. I not tell no lie. Yes a baby. Yes a baby. Go brush your teeth, your hot.
No.
Right now, if the fish are there, like the fish are dead. Your breath stink. That's my like pit toilet.
One life is going to that have blood.
No, sir, that dead. What's your favorite prank? He fully allows the Yo, anyways, as me I say, nobody not safe from my house. Nobody not safe from my house. Nobody will come here still don't safe because I'm about to like. Yo, listen.
Except pants, man.
For young king out, me I go catch him one day. Me I go listen. You know what I want to like 1 week straight out of prank, but you see, my brother and mother could let me down yeah, cause I don't make a prank. I don't me really can prank. Well, me can prank young king out there, but it's just that him know all of the camera spot them. Like, oh, him know all I camera spot them, me no know. I'm gonna appreciate that saying call me out, go know all I camera spot them. But him can't prank me. He say I catch what?
Prank war is on.
Any day, him prank me, prank war on. I mean, I tell you something now if you go hide the camera then because a prank when me just get up and do something. I don't even prank, but a prank.
Prank war is on.
You not even gonna be prank. I'm just gonna take up the camera and do something.
Prank war
Brother.
is on.
Like, well guys, spam up the comment section with Team Sammy all day, every day. Anybody prank me is, I appreciate that.
I sang that yet.
I don't want the song. I want them to know. It's a boy of fooling. Anyway, shut up. Anyways, guys, we're outside. Just know say 1 week out of prank. Oh, bam bam Batman. It's a 7 cast, just know say 1 minute out of prank. Outside. Bye.